Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a TradingView indicator using ChatGPT. First, understand that TradingView indicators are powerful tools for market analysis, helping you visualize data directly on your charts. ChatGPT can act as your personal coding assistant, generating the necessary Pine script code. This approach dramatically simplifies the development process, even if you have limited programming experience, allowing you to create custom tools quickly and efficiently. To get the best results, your prompts to ChatGPT need to be precise. Clearly describe the indicator's logic, such as a simple moving average crossover strategy or an RSI divergence detector. Specify any inputs you need, like a 14-period RSI or a 20-period moving average. Always ask for the code in Pine script version 5 to ensure it works with the latest TradingView platform. The more detail you provide, the more accurate the generated code will be. Once ChatGPT provides the Pine script code, the next step is implementation. Simply copy the entire code block from ChatGPT. Then, navigate to TradingView, open the Pine editor, and paste the copied code into the editor window. After pasting, click Add to Chart to see your new indicator in action. This allows for immediate visual confirmation and helps you quickly identify if any adjustments are needed. After adding your indicator to the chart, you might need to refine it. Debug any errors that appear in the Pine editor console, or adjust the code if the indicator isn't behaving as expected. Experiment with different input parameters, like changing a moving average length from 20 to 50 to optimize its performance for your specific trading strategy. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals, to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.